Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's June the 9th, 2023. Here to talk about SOFI real quick and try to figure out if this $8.50 resistance area, you guys can see it goes all the way back to the February the 1st or February 2nd, 2023. If this area is going to be seen as resistance in the market for SOFI, okay? It even goes all the way back to August of 2022, to which we saw price in SOFI unable to trade above these levels. Because if that's the case, then for my price prediction, which was created here for SOFI on the 31st of May, we need to go ahead and take those profits, which we're going to do anyway, because you guys can see this price prediction actually went pretty good. We anticipated the price in SOFI is going to go higher, and yesterday the market has hit our ultimate TP price of 21.2%. Don't let people tell you that you cannot do this. Just that simple. All right, so we got rid of that. So let's get back to this analysis as to determine whether or not SOFI is going to continue to go higher, or should we expect price to go down, because this is our third attempt to see whether or not the price in SOFI is going to be able to break above this area of resistance. We've already identified it. We already know what to expect. So if price in SOFI does not go higher, we already know the reason why. And it's because sellers on the last two attempts that SOFI was trading here pull the price back down. Okay, now check this out though. There's a couple of things. Well, there's one thing that I really know that is different now than what it was the prior two times SOFI was trading around this area, and you guys can tell from the indicators. So let's, for instance, let's go ahead and hit this area up right here. Okay, for SOFI, you guys can see that we received this push to go up bar, right? But then we received an up fake. This is the reason why the market in SOFI began to go lower, is because this indicator was created giving us a heads up, telling you, hey, be prepared to see SOFI go lower. Okay, let's go to the second time SOFI was trading around this particular price. Okay, let's go ahead and look at this. See that? Even here, we received another indicator of weakness in SOFI on these daily price bars, letting you know, be prepared for price to go down. All right, cool. Now let's look at this on the third time. Do you see any indicators yet in SOFI around this $8 price? Nope, you don't see it. Okay, we instead got an indicator of strength right there, a push to go up. So this still tells us that this run that SOFI is currently on is still bullish, but you still need to be a little bit more watchful and pay attention to see if we're going to get those indicators of weakness. Because if we do, then we're going to have to say SOFI is not going to go higher, and the move is going to continue to drift and go down. Here's SOFI on the 2-day chart. Okay, here it is on the 3. SOFI on the 5, and look at that, we got a pretty good spread on this current 5-day price bar. We have 8 hours and 59 minutes left, but it looks pretty decent on the spread. So we may initially crack above $8 or $8.15 and see the market in SOFI run up to like $9 or so. We may see the market hit $9 in SOFI. Now that's off the 5-day chart. Here it is on the weekly. You're still showing, I mean, the market is still showing us that it's still amped and still trying to go higher. Okay, here it is on the 2 weeks. This 2-weekly price bar is telling me that, yeah, the market in SOFI is definitely bullish. We got that indicator of strength being created, and then you have it here on the 3, SOFI on the 5. This market looks pretty bullish right now. So as of now, I wouldn't be surprised to see the market in SOFI try to run to 10. Okay, so I'm going to drop 2 more targets. Well, I'm going to do 3. $8.50, $9, and then 10. Okay, those are going to be my targets for SOFI. Now, I still want everyone to be careful though, because of this area of resistance which we identified. I still want everyone to be cautious of this area. Okay, so that first target You guys can remember, so it's gonna be around 850. So that's around 4.81%. Okay, that's my first target, 850. My second one is going to be $9. That's 11.11% profit. And then my third target is going to be all the way up here around 10. This is going to be longer term though. Okay, this third target right there around $10, 23.33%. It may not even get that high though, but we can tell from this current price action that this stock, it is definitely bullish. Okay, so those are my three targets there. Now we want to see the price in SOFI continue to hold this area down here, 650 as support. So long as the market holds that area as support, we're going to look for the price to continue to be bullish and have the ability or the higher probability of going up. Okay, now of course we don't want to see that occur, but hey, we have no control of where price is going to move. So go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain your profitability, and as always, trade different.